Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox teleport failed error code 773 on our Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. In this video I'm gonna share simple steps to get you back to in the game guys. First step is to ensure you logged out of all Roblox sections. Sometimes being logged into multiple sections can cause conflicts and trigger the teleport failed error guys. To logged out of all sections, open Roblox. Click on the bell icon. Click on settings. On left side select security. On right side you just need to scroll down to the bottom. Log out of all other sections, select log out, and after doing this check problem resolved or not guys. Second solution is to update your Roblox. To do this, open up Roblox guys. Now we need to make sure the game is up to date. To do this, open up the game you are having problem with. Click on the three dot icon over here and select update guys if the update is available, and after updating it check your problem resolved or not. If you're still having problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to simply leave the game and rejoin guys. The refresh might resolve the error guys. Fourth solution, if you are using a VPN, try disconnecting from it guys. Some game servers might have issues with VPNs guys. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like. And you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.